Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be doing this Smokey and Gold makeup tutorial. So definitely keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials and product reviews. To start, I have a sample of Peter Thomas Roth Life to Appear People Crest white strips, or whatever kind of white strips that you want to use. I can't talk that well, but whitening your teeth is going to make such a difference in your look. I just want to put it out there. Do it. I'm going to take these out because I can't talk very well. I am also going to use Origin's Gin Zing. It's a refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff. And I definitely find that this really helps my eyes look better. Amazing concealer. This is a really great concealer. I am using the color Medium Beige. And today I applied the concealer anywhere I had some redness. I am going out tonight for a birthday dinner for myself, and I just want to make sure I have really good coverage. I'm applying Clinique Beyond Perfecting in the color of Buttermilk. This foundation also has super amazing coverage. Now that we have a nice layer of full coverage foundation going, I'm going to apply Candy's Banana Pudding Face Powder to set my foundation. And next, it's time for the eyes. I'm using Pat McGrath's Subliminal Mothership Palette. And I think I'm going to go for a really pretty smoky brown eye. I don't know if you can see the photo, but I was inspired by the Queen M Resi. I'm using Ultimate Taupe with a Sigma Diffused Crease E38 brush and applying that color in the transition area. I'm going to add some brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony Brow Wiz. I have two of these where I have broken off the spoolie end. I'm going in with a Dep, which is a pretty dark brown, using a Sigma Diffused Crease E38 brush. And we're going to start to work this into the crease, pretty much all around the eye. As we blend, just adding more layers to get some more depth. I want to make it a little bit deeper, a little bit more sultry, so I'm going in with Extreme Black using the same brush. I'm going to focus that a little bit closer into the eye. I'm focusing that in a little bit closer to the eye, but still on the outer corner. And if you get a little bit too much dark shadow, like I got some more down here than I wanted, just use your beauty blender, blend it in, and blend more on top. No big deal. For the outer lid, I'm applying the color Substance. This is a metallic dark brown. It definitely has some fallout. I definitely applied that farther than half, probably about 3/4 of the way in. So to clean up that messy shadow, I did have to wipe that off with a makeup remover, add some more foundation, no big deal. That is why I went in with my foundation only, because we can still clean it up, but we don't have to worry about messing up any bronzer or contour, blush, or anything like that. However, since this is a really dramatic look, I wanted the foundation to be on there first because I knew we were going to be going pretty far out with the eye look. Next up is Skin Show Nude. I'm applying that in the inner corner of the lid and inner corner on the bottom. This shadow is gorgeous. It is so shiny and sparkly. For a liner on top, I'm using Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black. So for the waterline, I'm using Maybelline's Lasting Drama Light Liner in Starlit Gold. Applying Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara on the top lashes. And Clinique's Bottom Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. For lashes, I'm going to try Kisses Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in the Lash Camisole. They are giant which I think is going to work really well for this look. So here are the Camisole Lashes from Kiss. They have a ton of volume. They are super dark black, very lightweight for the length and amount of lash that you're getting. I did have to cut the lash on both ends to trim it down quite a bit. So I trimmed off some extra just black strip on the front, and then on the outer end I did take off about 2 chunks to get this down to a size that would fit on my eye. Overall, I am absolutely loving this eyelash, and it's very inexpensive. It's something that you can get at your local drugstore. I'm adding some contour using Becca's Low Light Sculpting Perfector. Next, I'm using my go-to face palette, which is the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette. First, I'm using the bronzer. I'm using the Hibiscus Bloom blush. And I'm layering rose gold right on top. And for some extra highlight, since it is my birthday dinner after all, I'm using Ofra's highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This is fun. The fan brush kind of gets all over the place. Don't mind me with a bunch of highlighter in my hair. It's coming together, folks. It's coming together. We are finally ready for lips. I'm going to start with 2 layers of Beige Champagne by SeneGence. And if you don't know what this is, it's a super long-lasting lipstick. You have to apply 3 thin coats. And I'm going in with a layer of Cappuccino on top. You always have to use a gloss with SeneGence, and I'm going to use the Gold Glitter Gloss to finish up this look. So here is my final makeup look. I will definitely be dressing up a little bit more, throwing on a pretty dress later, but this is the makeup look I'm going with for my birthday dinner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you would rock kind of a darker brown smoky eye with some gold. Also, let me know if you have any suggestions for other videos. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked my video, and have a wonderful week.